In the final installment of the building of the plastic bottle canoe, I have added those bottles that I was talking about along the sides, but because there was no third support underneath, I had to tape them because they were falling off. And that really became a problem because not only did I have to tape them down this way, but then I had to kind of move the canoe and crawl along the back of there doing some gymnastics and glue them all individually on that side and then tape them too. And I had to turn on my Christmas tree lights to get some light out on the porch because it took a lot longer than I figured. And then I put these four up here too. However, the whole thing is finally done, and now all I have to do is wait 48 hours from now, and right now is, let me see, 8 o'clock on a Saturday night, and there it is, the plastic bottle canoe with lots of extra glue along some of these things because I had a little bit more than I thought I would at the end, and I didn't want to waste it because it was the last of the tube. So there we go. In 48 hours, more or less, we'll know if the Lindenbrook expedition actually works. And if not, well, we won't think about that. It'll work.